Company of Nigeria. Now bring me here today. Specifically, they talk about the one we did for Anthony Lagos. Yes, I did show now. But people, they give these people prepaid meters. Yes, I got to stress that S so that I'm going to say plenty they involve. They say me they distribute them freely. Freely. No, just imagine. Distribute to people freely. No money, no take money, no give anybody anything. Just give them the meters. The same bar. No. At normal level, save our country, they know the year word. So, if you see the place where they go park the meters, why human beings just wicked? They go park the meters for one place. Rain follow, it they beat them. Sunshine, no, it they beat them. Snow fall, okay, we don't get snow. Sorry. Now, so the whole meters, some of them don't start the routine, some of them don't. Here? I say I must bring a corner side. I must bring a corner side because I cannot die alone of heart attack. Put the video, make them watch first.
Make una see prepare meter. We the same they give people for free. Really don't they beat them. They know they share them. Mende Anthony. See them. Now what they do.
Prepaid meter, Sarah.
Really don't they beat them for here. Before you know you go spoil.
Sarah, Lagos State.
You don't see them.
On fait
No. And we are wondering how come the country is not moving forward. Little things. This thing, they buy it with their money. Just share. Share. They did not say add 1,000 naira from your money and give them. Just all you have to do. If not be even you, they carry and go round though. Now just to make announcement, people go come. Share. No. See how meters they waste. And people now, people just they some people, because I don't hear many complaints. Madam Aproko, I ordered for meters since 7 months ago. See them. Now I bring her out. All of you when no say una order for meter. Now the reason be this one una never get. Since 7 months, some people say they've even like I no just understand. I no just seriously. Welcome to Zujiria. This will not be Nigeria now. Zujiria. The only country where wickedness is an act of humanitarian work. Like, you don't understand. Today wicked now for Nigeria now is a blessing. Like, if you are wicked, you are holy. Now like that now Nigeria don't be. And tomorrow now we go start to blame some kind people. I know understand. We are our own problem. This one no be Buhari go see that. Now Buhari did that office. They have given order. No, now Buhari they give you receipt if you go buy lights. We are our own problem. We is a we affair. I know so now go to say every country get their own now. Why are they stress on this one now? I know say every country for this world they get their own wahala. But na see Zujiria own is unimaginable. Like the kind things, if I dey think am, I dey wonder, I don't understand. What should we do? I mean, we kukuma use Nigeria as sacrifice. May we raise them as no. I dey think because this is just the too much. The calamities, the bad news, the I just dey imagine seriously because my people, you know, this is a small matter. This thing no be small matter. Now all these small things, in fact, this thing self no even be part of small things. Now I dey imagine. They say give people free. Now they no give them. Oh yeah, water can they pour on top of that thing. I know sabi much about meters. I don't know if water pour inside it go spoil. I be they no fit use it again. No, I don't know. But my own now be say, person tell me. They say, Madam Aproko, 1 meter. These meters when I just watch. If they say they sell out to them. Ask me how much? 120,000 naira. For Ghanaians, over 1,000 cedis. Now, what do these people they say? I know person will tell me this one. No, I dey serious. This one no be say I read am for news or person tell me. No, I get person where we dey talk like on a regular. 120,000. This girl suffer pay, bam. Till today, she never even smell. Even the card, she never smell the card. Not to talk of the meter itself. See our country. The time wey wetin they call her Jonathan dey power, we dey miss Yaradua. Now we dey miss Jonathan as Buhari come dey power. My prayer be say God abeg, may we no miss Buhari. No give us any reason. This prayer is important. Imagine if we have to miss Buhari. Do you know the person that is coming? If we have to suffer what worse than this, wahala dey. Hey, no, think am. Imagine if we have to miss Buhari. as everybody dey lament this one, that one. Imagine, say in future now you see that things were good in Buhari's time. Oh, now be say we go dey bury ourselves by ourselves. It's a very serious prayer. And I dey pray am very seriously, abeg. I don't want to hear. I don't even want to imagine the thing. Because una dey see reasons why we need to remove those people from that seat. Una dey see the reasons. I don't want me just be like say una dey hear news. Beside the news, can you gain something? Can your eyes be open? Time to vote now. See, now why they bring all this thing outside? So that una go dey see. Which other evidence una need? No, which other evidence una need? Say we need a better Nigeria. We need better people to rule us, better people to lead us. Which other evidence do you people need? From politicians to the what do they call her? Average citizen. Wickedness. From the top to down. Wickedness. The heart of man. Who can know it? Who can know it? I beg. I dey call on PHCN, Power Holding Company of Nigeria. I dey call on una. Una no try. And I don't know whether to say now all of una make they sue all of una now. I don't even know. Oh yeah, make I get mercy on the innocent people, because my people, anywhere things are happening, some people are definitely innocent. So now my own be say, all the people where they involved inside this thing, those people where you know say you put them in charge for these meters, you have to deal with them. As simple as that. I don't know whether now upon which punishment una won't give them, but this thing una got to look inside this matter, very very important. And how they won't do them if you not share this video. How they want know? I beg, share this video so that everybody. I beg, you don't go happy if they give you meter. No, I don't come push something for you. So keep on the pushing, continue pushing it until they look inside this matter. Very, very important. You understand? I beg, and I still want to wait till they think drop her for that comment section. And why not click on that bell so that you don't go miss anything I get here for you. Stay tuned for our next story. Another side chick wahala. This one a side chick versus main chick. Even though I dey doubt now whether the main chick too no be the main chick, because now I dey fear men. No, very very important. You go meet your man with another girl. They go fight am. You no say you not even be the main chick. You go just they go fight in vain. My people na so this how even want call them anyhow. Make I just dey low key. The guy Parker. The side chick, they inside. He even sit down for the front seat, balance, spread leg, bend yash, everything. Just, you don't understand, like, you know when you be the owner of something. That one just full the whole seat as the pelembe reach. Now so the main chick just come back. He sights them from far, bam. And that one, if una see Bakassi Peninsula, he carry back, he carry front. She too pack it. No. Some men will not get problem. But I go come back to that one. That's so this kid just come. Hey, she must get down. She must get down. Even remove the side chick wig cap through it. I mean, make her no waste una time again, because I know soon I don't salivate. Oh yeah, put the video when they watch.
Girlfriend. Oh, too late.
Sir?
Yeah.
You ready? Ready? From what you doing?
Hey, I'm trying now.
Jesus.
Teenager, they play.
When you like, you want sit, you know how much we've suffered. You want sit in some boss girlfriend in car.
Freely.
Free.
Problem just full everywhere. Una see the baka. Some girls are endowed. Some girls, no, I need repeater. Some girls are endowed. But my question about ladies, why una dey fight for man? No, we get physical fight. English. We get another fight. The other fight be say that one dey acceptable. That is when you dey try to win a man's heart. That one no be competition o. Like naturally you want please your man, you understand. Those normal things wey we ladies dey do when we are in love. That one is different. But why una dey fight physical fight? Hey? If na before I no go talk. This period for this our generation, hello my girl, me, bros, cheat as you like. If you like, say I go buy you condom join. I no fit. So that when my eye remove, you go continue your life. Me, I go dey like this. Wetin they call that movie of that man wey always they cover this? Me. The devil is a liar. Big time. You no go walk. If I even see them, I go pass. Let's say I no even see anybody. Sometimes make una dey think o. Make una dey think o. Your life is important. Anything wey go make you no understand. They go come dey give you mark all over your body like say you dey village. Try all those traditional tribal marks. They go just dey give you. You say na I no understand. Who tell una say na when you fight for a man, he go love you? Who deceive una? When you fight for a man, and when he says I'm fighting for him, that he will respect me, he will love me, he will know that this one, they are you are foolish. If you have that mindset, they don't buy you. In fact, they have done something to you. You are wasting your time. You see time, you dey waste time. You are wasting it. Nobody go love you for fighting them. Instead, you are even sending them away. You even dey pursue them, make they go. And you dey drive them more into the hands of the other person. Now so they go. They will say, we said it. Can't you see your character? Can't you see? Any man will respect you. You don't need to fight. If he truly respects you, you don't need to fight. And any man where you need to fight for you to have a place in that relationship, is better you walk out. Hope say una ear dey wide open. Because some girls now, una don't do the overdo. Like say without man, you don't feel live for this world. Just walk away. I don't say they pain. No look say because I dey talk and it is sweet. I know it's painful. Most times say it is very difficult. So men say, Bia, my fellow brothers, I know they understand una sometimes. No be insult o, but I gats say this one. No, that video we na watch now. The girl get big now, you still dey cheat. Ibululu full everywhere like bread. You see, I don't understand. Una see slim one, una go say no, she's too bony. Una see the one we meet, she's too meaty. Una say no, wait you na want? Wait you na want? No, which one you na want now? The one way black, una say na charcoal. You say, if you snap picture, you no go show well, na only the eyes and the teeth. If you see the one way fair now, you go say, she's too Fanta. I don't understand. Oh, except if this man, because as he be now, I got talk from all the sides. I got to talk from the lady side, I got to talk from the man side, because as he be, we don't know where to cause him. Up till now, we still dey find out wetin be. So since we no get reason, I got to talk about all the possible, you understand? All the possible reasons wey go lead to this kind matter. Now why una see say I just dey enter different corners because I no know who dey at fault. Where I go just tackle the person, bam. See, avoid embarrassment. See that girl now wey go fight over man. You know better when you just waka comot than this embarrassment now when you don't go bring abi the Bakassi Peninsula no dey service the guy well, or I dey try make una help me. Reasons I dey look for reasons wey go make you no fit please man o. Na wetin I don learn for this life. You can never please a man. You want do wife material 200 yards, you go a house wash, you fit even wash the whole building sef. You go cook different Chef Chioma, Chef Nkechi, you go cook all the whole meals wey you know for this world, even the one wey dem you never see before. You go just dey mix. I must please him. Time for bed, they go even hang you for fan, wide your legs like bedsheet. If you like, do all those ones. You can never please a man. Man wey go cheat. He go even leave you for house as you dey cook. You go do 2 rounds, come back. Honey, yes, the meeting went well. Yes, very good meeting. Make una open, shine it, shine your eyes, shine on me. No fight for man. Make I no just before they go say I too talk. Okay, last one. Now the last one be this. Maybe in a peace of mind. No, you know, say sometimes man feel the relationship with woman, but you know they give her that peace of mind. So you will go outside find that thing. See, ladies, be your boyfriend's peace. Be that person that if he had a rough day, it's only you he's thinking about. If not, he go red for your eye. Now make una start a jot down this point. So very, very important. In fact, be like I don't turn to relationship counselor self, but it is well. I beg, some women, we need to calm down. My fellow ladies, I beg, make we learn to calm down. As I talked before, I don't talk before, but I don't know how come I enter this matter. I say my heart no dey inside relationship matter this year, but as it be. The fighter and the fightee, as long as nobody kill anybody, if you not like, continue. Last, everybody go do all right. Last, the guy go leave una go find the main person wey one date. If you not like, no get wisdom. My people are better. The matter be this. I say I must bring her as it dey hot. So Biko, share this video, make everybody know wetin dey shele now. Kilo shele go, Kilo shele go. And make sure say you subscribe so that you no go miss anything when we get here for you. And don't forget that still dey wait for the comments dropping. Stay tuned for our next story.